was my first and last mistake. I'm blue without your face. But what can I do? 'Cause I'm just a sinking ship, and you're just a pair of lips that I've lost in the moment. All I want is for you to come back. Now I'm caught in the middle of life, and I need you to survive. Whoa, I need you to survive.
They are amazing, every one of you. Truly top notch. Look, I mean, just amazing.
They're everywhere.
Yeah. And we know this amazing person.
I need you to survive. Cause without you by my side, I can't survive.
Buy him. No.
And this can be the end. I won't just settle for being your friend.
On 2D2 guys on twerk team.
I'm 2D2 like that.
Cause I'm just a sinking ship, and you're just a pair of lips that I've lost in the moment. All I want is for you to come back. Now I'm caught in the middle of life, and I need you to survive. She said, boy, I want.
I was gonna ask him if he's okay. Let's ask him.
Hey man, you alright?
Are you okay?
You're only living in your damn head. Yes. Without you by my side, I can't survive. I need you to survive.
Masquerade round. This is our general contestants. Some of these cosplays were purchased, others were altered, but this is anyone's fair game.
Cause without you by my side, I can't survive.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my.
All I want is a Pepsi.
I just need to clear my.
Oh.
history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces.
Frank.
How are you all doing tonight? Because I'm feeling super!
Between us, I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head.
Big guns.
I just need to clear my head.
Don't you disrespect me over here! I got friends on the other side!
I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I can't focus. I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my. I just need to clear my head. Oh, clear my head. I just need to clear my head.
Wow.
I've got my eye on y'all.
I just need to clear my head.
To dream,
Alcatraz! Checkmate!
only one, only